In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark theme in Microsoft Outlook. So I'm here on my computer with Outlook already open, and the first thing I'm going to do is move my mouse up to the top left corner and click on File. As soon as I click File, a menu opens on the left side, and from here I'm going to select Settings. This takes me into the Settings area where I can customize how Outlook looks and behaves. Once the settings window opens, I look over to the left panel and click on General. As soon as I click General, the options on the right side update, and now I can see settings related to the overall appearance and interface of Outlook. This is where I can change things like the theme and visual layout. Now I move my mouse to the appearance section. This is the part that controls whether Outlook uses a light or dark theme. I click inside appearance and I can see the available options. From here I choose dark mode. As soon as I select dark mode, Outlook prepares to switch the interface to a darker background with lighter text, which is easier on the eyes, especially when working for long periods or in low light environments. Once dark mode is selected, I move down and click Save to apply the changes. As soon as I click Save, Outlook updates the interface, and I can see the darker theme applied across the window. The background becomes dark, and the text stands out more clearly, making everything easier to read. At this point, the dark theme is fully enabled. I can close the settings window and continue using Outlook normally, and the dark theme will remain active unless I change it back later. And that's it. I opened Outlook, clicked File, selected Settings, went to General, opened Appearance, chose Dark Mode, and clicked Save. Outlook is now using the dark theme.